Well, hello. I guess I should get up. Today, we're working on the 32. We're just doing a bit of panel work. So what we have down here is bog. All from like this line to there. So like this whole section here, as you can see. I've started getting rid of the crap and stuff. If you look from this angle, you can see just how like, thick it actually is. About 10 mils maybe. So we're going to do a bit of work on it today, and what we're doing is we're going to ourselves like a little oxy torch and a scraper, because I've tried sanding it and using like grinder wheel and that, it just takes too long, and this seems to be pretty damn efficient. So these are cheap, just kind of like heat up the surface. You can see it, it's a bit hard when it's windy, but you can see like the paint start to bubble and stuff like that. Pretty simple. And then it'll just kind of scrape away like that. So that's like probably a layer of bog, primer, secondary primer, and then like paint and clear. So it goes through quite a bit. So what we're going to do, as you can see, I've already started it just to see why it's being bogged so much when really the panel's pretty damn good. A few dents here and there, but I'm just going to probably do this whole section and see what we find. So cool, let's get into it.
Jones.
I've scraped off pretty much half the quarter panel. That's all I'm going to do for today. And so what I'm going to do now is just grab like a little power sander, some low grit paper, and just get rid of all the crap that was left over, so it's all like nice and shiny like the rest of it is there. So let's get started. Alright, so that is pretty much done. So what I found is there's a lot of small pinholes. I'll see if I can kind of get it on film. Like stuff like that. Quite a few. I think that's the reason for all the bog, but I'm just surprised how heavy they went, because it is, yeah, that 10 mils or so. That's pretty much the easy way that I found how to do it. It's not too time consuming and pretty good cost wise. What I'll probably do now is get the panel straight as best as we can with some hammers and whatnot, just panel beating, and then might have to use like a skimmer body filler again. Won't be nowhere near as heavy as what it is at the moment. Yeah, we'll probably leave it at that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
No, that's what music on. Corey's about to film.